Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A31 and today I want to show you how you can turn on or off one-handed mode. Start by going into settings, then scroll down and choose advanced features. Scroll down again and choose one-handed mode. Now tap on the switcher and select one of the two options, gesture or button. I will go with button. Now when I double click, one-handed mode is on. If you wanna go back, tap on the black area. If you wanna completely turn it off, just tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Bye!